beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in today's video I am so excited because it's actually the first makeup tutorial I'm doing this 2020 as well. It's been a long time I haven't done a makeup tutorial, so I am so excited, but just that I am not going out with this look. Anyway, I wanted you guys to see this look, this pretty gorgeous colors. Juvia's Place released four eyeshadow palettes. I think it was the Christmas day or after the Christmas day precisely, I cannot say, but I ordered after a week or so. Guys, I actually didn't get the full 4 packages because most of the colors in that I already have them, but I only ordered the berries, which is this. This is so cute. The packaging, like you always know, this glossy kind of package that Juvia's Place always comes out with, and this pretty little girl, so pretty, or other girls in there. And guys, yes, these are the colors. They are so pigmented, like, you know, Juvia's Place is one of the most pigmented eyeshadow palette I have ever used. They are so soft and easy to blend, and as well affordable. This eyeshadow actually cost $13.99, and I think when you buy the 4 set it's a bit cheaper, but I didn't need all the other set because, like I said. But anyway, this is actually what I used to create this look. This is so gorgeous. I love the colors. I love how it's so easy to blend and effortless blending. That is what we're talking about. So guys, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching this video. As for you as well, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right away, and as well turn on that notification bell so you do not miss any upload that I'm going to be uploading. And so guys, let me know as well on the comment section what you think about this look. If you ever use any of the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, let me know on the comment section. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, remain blessed, one love, bye. Yes guys, I went ahead to fix my eyebrows to save time, and I had 6 shades of kind of pink and everything. I actually don't know what I'm going to be creating, but anyway, we are going to be creating something from here. So I'm going to be starting from the lightest shade, which is more like this pink, kind of a brown pink, let me say, a pink. So let's start. I'll be using the Juvia's Place, one of their brushes, and I'm going to take, because I understand that Juvia's Place is so pigmented, so I'm just going to dip from this, using this from it, and just I'm just going to take it around my crease line and blend it. Okay, this wasn't actually too bright, which is okay as a transition color. I don't know, but it's so not difficult to blend, which is one of the most interesting parts when an eyeshadow is so easy to blend that even the beginner will not have to battle to just apply her makeup. Okay, taking this kind of berry, they are berries anyway. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this shade. I think this is more darker. I'll be taking this shade and mix it as well with this, putting it also, placing it, like mixing the first together just to create a different color. This is so pigmented. This is so pigmented. Okay, then I'll go back to the back to just blend the both together. This way will just make it easy for you instead of just leaving it like that. I'll be using this shade just in my outer bit, like that. Oh yes. Guys, if you know Juvia's place, if you try their products, you know what a pigment is. You know what a pigment is. As cheap as all their products are, you always get the best out of it. That is the most interesting part. They are so cheap and they get the best. The pigment is insane. Don't blend in which you want to blend, because as little as you take from this palette, it's always pigmented that you need to focus on taking just a bit, because when you take too much, you find it difficult to blend because they are so pigmented. Though they are easy to blend, that is one of the good thing about it. Not just cheap, but they are so easy to blend. You see how I'm just having fun doing it, like trying to massage my eyelid at the same time. I'm just having fun and creating it as well. That's just a good thing about this Juvia's Place product. So guys, I am done with this. Ooh, I'm loving the pink purple. Is it purple? All right, I'm using this pink. This is the pink darker one. This is so dark. I know. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Just mix together. I can't find my brush. I used it, but now I cannot find it. Where are you? This dark one here. Gonna place it again here. All right, then I'm going to be using this kind of a shimmer. It's a maroon. Oh, never mind. I'll be using this shimmer because there's a two shimmer here. I'm using this kind of a matte red. They are all berries anyway, but I use this. Should I not cut the crease? Okay guys, I changed my mind. I'm gonna be cutting a crease. Let's cut the crease. I'm using the concealer to just cut the crease. Just put it somewhere here. That should be enough. I didn't actually want to do this, but I changed my mind. Let me just cut it because you know this is a matter of taking your time to cut it. All right guys, I'm done with this side. I'm going ahead to fix the left side. Left for me or left for you, but it's left for me. So I'm gonna fix this other side and I'll be back. Yes guys, I went ahead to finished the left side and as we're fixing on the false lashes, and now I'm just gonna complete the look, the face, putting on everything cute, and then we're back to see the final look. To prime my face, I'll be using the Yves Saint Laurent Blurred Primer. Guys, you know how I feel about this primer. This is unbelievable. Okay guys, the next I'm going to be using the Benefit Pore Primer to just hide all the pores and put them where they belong. I'm just going to use the tip of my finger to just massage them in, keeping them in place. And next I'm using the Juvia's I Am Magic Foundation. And first I'm just going to use a foundation brush to just spread them all over my face. This process I find so easy that at the end when I'm using a brush, it's so easy for me to blend. I'll just spread them well, make sure they are spread all over. And guys, using this new foundation brush from Juvia's, I think this foundation is so good. The density is insane. It just hides and puts everything in place. I love it. And now I'm using the concealer in shade 13 from Juvia's Magic. Just want to highlight all the places I want to highlight. And there you go, let's highlight you. As usual, I'll go back to the foundation brush and just match the both together. And now I'm going to set my face, the under eye, using the MERCER setting powder to just set every places I highlighted. This is essential, guys. You know that already. You know what I mean. This powder has become my favorite setting powder. This is holy. Guys, I'm going to talk about this powder someday in my video because I cannot hide the feeling anymore. Alright, I'm going to be bronzing my face using the FENTY bronzer. Just bronze, bringing back those warm, just those cheeks, just making it like just giving it life again. This is so good. Bronzer, it's such a good tip to just bring back that. When it's so too bright, it's so essential, guys. And I'm going to use the all-time powder. And normally I do set my whole face with a powder first before bronzing, but this video I just don't know, I just changed it and it works so cool. And I'm going to be using the belly. Guys, these days I'm loving blush. Just blush my face. Just smile and blush it. Smile, guys. To highlight my cheekbones, I love this Juvia's highlighter. I'm just gonna just smiling, just having fun, just winking, just having the fun, just giving it, taking it down. Let there be sparkling. The lips, I'm using the CHESTNUT and the Currant from MAC to just line my lips, and then I'm going to use the same Juvia's It was a collab with Fumi. This nude is cute, and then I'm going to mix it up with the Fenty Beauty Mini Bozzy Lip Gloss, and then set it up. That's set everything. Okay, this is the compacted face of mine. All right, guys, this is the final look I created with the berries. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys love the colors as much as I am in love with. All right, guys, I'm going to list all the other products I use in this video in the description box, so just check it out. And guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.